Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by committing to a precise plan. Measure the wall, mark the TV center at comfortable eye height, and locate studs. Once done, sketch a full-size template on cardboard and test fit it on the wall so you can visualize cabinet positions and speaker placement. Make sure to note electrical outlets and low-voltage pass-through locations. Then choose mounting hardware rated for your TV weight and stud spacing so the next steps are safe and reliable. Now you run all wiring before closing walls. Fish HDMI, power, Ethernet, and speaker wires through the studs into the plan chase, using grommets at entry points. Next, construct and anchor a rigid frame or plywood backing to the studs to carry the TV's load. Fasten with structural screws and use shims for level. Make sure to leave ventilation gaps and access panels, because once cabinets and panels go up, you will thank yourself for accessible cable paths and airflow. You complete the build by attaching the TV bracket to the reinforced backing and lifting the display on with a partner. Verify level and secure safety bolts. Then install facing panels, trim and paint or veneer, while routing cables through discrete channels and securing them with ties. Finally, power up and test every input and speaker, check for overheating, and confirm remote range. If the screen wobbles or loses signal, recheck stud anchors, tighten hardware, and swap cables.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.